Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make crunchy chim chim. This is so good and your guests would love it. It's good to serve them. You want to sieve 2 cups of flour and then go in with 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon of butter. You're going to gently combine this together until everything has been fully incorporated. Then you want to go in with milk. You want to use about half cup of milk. Although this might be too much for your flour, you just want to add in very little first, and you need before you add in the rest if it needs more. There are different brands of flour and some would need a little bit extra milk, but you don't want a light dough. You want a dough that is hard. Just as in this video, this dough is not soft, it is not so hard, neither is it so soft. This dough is is good for chim chim. The dough texture should not be like that of buns or bread. It should be harder than that. Then next you want to sprinkle your work surface with some flour, and then you're going to roll out this dough on the work surface. You can see that this dough is a bit hard, and that is why it's a little difficult to knead it out, to roll it out. So you want this texture of dough for your chim chim. That's what will give you a crunchy chim chim. So you're going to roll this out with a rolling pin or whatever you have in your kitchen that can roll out your dough. Next, I'm going to cut this dough with my knife. If you have a roller, use a roller to cut this. You want an evenly shape. You can do this as much as you can, just to cut it out to have even shapes. Then you are going to, cut out the size of chim chim that you want or the shape of chim chim that you want, and just cutting this out just like that. And you know it's rectangular like, and that's just what I want for this chim chim. I'll do this for all the flour, all the dough that I have needed. Then I'm going to go into frying this. You want to fry this chim chim in deep oil. You want to do a deep frying for it until it has turned golden brown. And then one thing in frying this is that I will drop in 2 onion into the oil before frying my chim chim to add to the flavor of the chim chim. If you're new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe as I have lots of interesting videos for you that you would love to try this Christmas. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support, for coming back. Thank you so much. I appreciate. And you can check out other recipes on my channel. You can also check out my handle on other socials, and you know can connect with me there. So this is it. I'm cutting out my remaining chim chim, and then I will go into frying it in a preheated oil. Drop in your onion to be sure that your oil is hot and to add to for flavor. While dropping this, continue to stir at intervals. You don't want to drop this and walk away. You want to keep stirring at intervals until it has turned golden brown. So guys, I hope you do give this chim chim trial, and don't forget to tell me how this turned out for you. After some time, I'm going to take out the onion and keep frying my chim chim until I'm ready to sieve it out. Sieve this out in a paper towel or in a basket so it is not oily. So this has already turned brown, but I'm going to leave it for a little bit time, and now this is just the right texture that I want, the right color that I want. So I'm taking it out of the oil, and the outcome was so delicious and nice. To give this recipe a try, you can see it sounds crunchy. Till next time guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.